So basically, I've heard that if you drink um, alcohol, um, not like the alcohol, drink alcohol, but the rubbing alcohol, you will go blind. So basically, I'm gonna drink this and see if I go blind. I guess I don't have nothing better to do. Yeah, and it's like not nothing I put inside of it. It's just regular alcohol I got from the cabinet in the bathroom. The fuck? That shit is nasty. Don't try that. Never. So I didn't drink it because it's disgusting. But if you put that shit in your mouth, you'll feel it. And I can see perfectly fine. So basically, I'm gonna go smoke a blunt and make my eyesight better. Bye.